Open the App Store. Open the App Store. Look for the icon. Look for the icon. Tap the search bar. Tap the search bar. Type the app name. Type the app name. Click on the result. Click on the result. See the app details. See the app details. Read the app reviews. Read the app reviews. Check the app rating. Check the app rating. Press the download button. Press the download button. Wait for the download. Wait for the download. The app is installing. The app is installing. Open the new app. Open the new app. Update your installed apps. Update your installed apps. Go to your account. Go to your account. Click on your photo. Click on your photo. Scroll down the list. Scroll down the list. Find pending updates. Find pending updates. Update all the apps. Update all the apps. Check the app size. Check the app size. Is the app free? Is the app free? Look at the price. Look at the price. Enter your password now. Enter your password now. Confirm your purchase here. Confirm your purchase here. The app is ready. The app is ready. Delete an old app. Delete an old app. Keep your apps updated. Keep your apps updated.